guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and another 5th generation 4RUNNER straight axle project episode, aka Project Carnage. Today we're going to pick up right where we left off in our last episode, and we're going to get our side frame plates fully welded on, and then we're going to drill our holes for our power steering box, Toyota power steering box to be specific, and then we're going to get that mounted so that way after this episode we'll be able to pick up the next one on our frame bridge on our axle truss. So that'll be pretty cool to do that. So let's get started, guys. Cue the music.
One 25 in the middle of Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Alright guys, Derek and I have made a great milestone. We got the power steering box mounted. You know, we changed the position of it. We moved it a little bit forward on my frame, so I'll redesign the ones in the computer for customer future ones. So now that we got that done, the power steering box is mounted, we're going to go ahead and move the axle forward to where it needs to be, so the steering rod will be parallel with the axle. And then we're going to move on to welding the tops of the frame plates everywhere that's not overhead. When we do the overhead is when we'll pull the cab and the powertrain out, just like we did the frame cradle. We'll weld the frame cradle on, the frame plates on, and a whole bunch of other things once the cab and the powertrain's out, so we can roll the frame on its side and roll it upside down and stuff like that, so we get a perfect welding pattern. So now that we're done with this part, we're going to go ahead and move the axle forward and then get these frame plates, the top pieces of them, welded on. Cue the music.
In progress, good things go slow. And I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
that's it for this episode, guys. Working on the 5th generation 4Runner straight axle project, or Project Carnage. It was a pretty productive afternoon. We started by welding our power steering box holes shut on our frame plate that we put on, and we moved the holes forward an inch, and I chopped the body mount and slid the plate slightly behind it and re-welded the body mount and the plate on at the same time. It's a pretty cool little trick that me and Derek did. And then it gave us a lot better clearance between the back of the tire and the back of the fender. So we're pretty happy with that. And then we got our holes re-drilled, mounted the power steering box, and then we welded the top of the frame plates. We're gonna, when we pull the cab and the powertrain off, just like with the cradle, we'll roll the frame upside down to do those welds, and we'll roll it upside down as well to do the side, or up on its side to do the frame plates up where the overhead welding is, so that way the welds will match everything else and look perfect. So we'll do that then, but we got the tops welded on. We're all done with that now. So now I can go ahead and move forward to designing and cutting out my frame bridge and my axle truss. So that'll be our next episode here, guys. We'll move on to that. So thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as always. If you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along there on the daily story that I'm pretty active on, and to keep up with all the crazy projects at Cougar House Garage. And we'll see you guys in the next episode.